Hey guys, I'm Sanket Solanki, aka Monkey Shell. So today I am here with my brother Ronak Parma, and he's also an aka Trouble One. Yeah. So today topic is basically all about OSWE. What is OSWE? How my brother cleared OSWE? What kind of challenges he faced during OSWE? What are the prerequisites require for OSWE? All these questions we are going to solve for you. Look, basically answered for you, yes. So you don't need to worry about it. It is one and full stop for you to understand what is basically required for an to be a certified OSWE, or basically offensive security web expert. Okay. So without wasting your time, we'll start asking some interesting question to Ronak. So okay. So Ronak, how was your experience during the exam of OSWE?
So Sanket, if you see, the exam was actually really very hard, and it was like really living a hell for 48 hours, because I spent only 4 hours taking a sleep from it, and completing everything in that 48 hours is really going to be very difficult. I'd never slept. I actually didn't slept for whole night for on my second day. So it was actually a very amazing experience of living a life of hell for 48 hours.
So as you heard from him, so yes, it depends on the knowledge as well. How much you will take time. It will definitely vary from person to person. But definitely, be ready to have some sleepless night for the OSWE exam. Yes. So, so Ronak, how did you start how did you start for the OSWE, and from where you heard it?
Okay, so the beginning of OSWE comes from the guy sitting next to me. Who is this guy? This was the person who actually told me to take OSWE at that time when I was having 0% knowledge of application testing, 0% knowledge of infosec security or anything, you can say. So that time he, like, I was at his home, and he was just like, that time the course was really alive, like it was completely new of offensive security, new course. And he just told, like, you should go to this course. Obviously this was very difficult course, but he told me to take it, so I just blindly trusted him and I took the course. So this is the reason from where I came into OSWE.
Don't get confused that why I like asked him to do OSW directly without having certain knowledge. So I have a different theory compared to other people. So basically, what I think, in order to learn something, you will definitely need to jump to it. So it's like basically a simple example of a swimming. So in order to learn swimming, you need to jump into a pool, or you need to learn it. So that's what kind of thing I usually do it in my life as well. Like if I don't know something, I'll just do it. I don't think about the end result. I think how much I will learn. So it's basically like you should be better from the yesterday. That's the whole point of it. So don't think about like I will require this. Just do it. I still suggesting people just do it. Don't worry about it. Just do it. Yeah. If you have some financial currencies or your guy pretty scared, like it's too costly, that even I understand. Like even I am taking 4 to 5 months and saving some money to buy this course. So okay, Rana. So why did you take almost a year and a half to clear the exam? I really want to know. Like you have given your exam last year. Like it's more than last 2019. I believe you gave your exam. Yeah, he gave it. His first attempt was in 2019, and he cleared the exam in 2021 recently. Like as you can see. So our audience and as well as people want to know that why did you take so much of your time to clear the exam?
So the main reason was fear. I was literally got so much feared about from my first attempt of OSWE, which made me almost neglect the exam. Like, I was, for 1 year, I was like, I just don't want to give OSWE, and I would prefer something else, something like CEH or other some basic courses. So the main reason was only fear, which made me 1.5 years to clear the exam.
Okay, that's one pretty common in lots of people nowadays. Like the fear is also common for me. Like so I took like OSCP after preparing a hell lot of it. like I took almost a year and a half or 2 years before taking OSCP for me as well. But later on, I learned this hard way, and I still ask people. So don't worry about the end result. I'm still saying, don't worry about the end result. Just think how much you will learn. That's the beauty of doing certain kind of courses or certification. Just how much you will learn. Don't do certification for the sake of doing it. Think like you can be better than yesterday, and you will learn something new. That's the important goal you should have in your life. Like if you can learn something new, it's better. Like you have certain new skill set, so be hungry for skill and be hungry for learning new stuff. Okay, so Ronak, my next question. So I have heard like people really ask lots of questions regarding like what are the prerequisites, how many programming language do we require, how much deep knowledge we require, especially Python, Ruby, PHP, .NET. Should we be the master of all this programming language? And by the way, even I am not the master of any of those language. Like I do lots of Google, so I'm clearing this right now.
Okay, so let's clear this misconception of everyone having this kind of thinking. First of all, you don't really require any deep knowledge of any of the languages. You just require some basic knowledge or basic understanding which can help you to understand the code. So if you see, if you create 5 to 6 applications in PHP, like good applications like Twitter, Insta or Facebook, that's it. You are done with your preparation for taking your exam, taking your course of OSWE. So before taking OSW, if you have already created, if you are already a pen tester for almost 1 year and you have already created an applications in PHP or Node or JavaScript, doesn't matter, any of the particular language, and that's it. That's what actually really you need to clear the exam in your first or second attempt. So if you see in the OSWE course details, it says that it's for experienced pen testers and developers, and you need to be comfort in reading these languages and blah blah blah. But to be honest, you don't need any of the, if you don't even have these knowledge, it's all right, because in OSWE, by actually solving extra mile, you are going to learn everything, because it will really force you to learn and complete that challenge. So it's all right if you don't have any of the deep knowledge of any of the application, but make sure to create application by yourself before taking this course. That's it.
So in short, you don't require deep knowledge for that. Basically, you should have certain understanding of application flow, like how does the application flow works, and understand the certain vulnerabilities and why those bugs occur in the code level as well. So if you have those knowledge, definitely you can clear the OSWE exam. I'm still saying, don't fear, don't think that course prerequisites like you require this. Even the course prerequisites say clearly reading and writing at least only one. Okay, JavaScript, .NET, Python, and everything. So if you know Python, it's okay. And like from my experience sitting with my brother, he used to say like he learned Python just by doing OSWE miles, the labs and everything. So you can understand, like if you push yourself during those certifications, like during those labs and everything, definitely we learn something new. That's the beauty of doing certain kind of certifications. And apart from that, you will learn something new. Like you should have that kind of passion to do it. Like I just want to do it. Like the feeling should come from within, instead of just doing for the sake like other people are doing, or by what do you say, for some increase in gain or salary. Definitely your salary might increase. I'm not sure about India. I'm still saying I'm not sure about India if your salary will increase or not, because I have done lots of certification in those 5 years. So as you can see, like I have done interesting certifications, and I'm still, and this year I have certain goal of doing like OSWE, OSCP, maybe OSED this year. But I'm still saying not sure if it will increase in India, but definitely it will increase your knowledge. Yes, knowledge will increase. You will be better than yesterday, and you will have confidence. Be confident even if you don't know the prerequisites. Be confident, be humble to yourself, be humble to other, and you will learn it. I have that kind of passion to do it, man. Have like to do it. I just want to do it. I want to try hard. That kind of feeling. Once you have that kind of passion feeling, definitely you will do it by yourself, not by cheating. And I guess people are actually doing cheating right now. Like I'm so much like thinking like it. Okay, people have different kind of views and everything. I won't judge because I am not a lawyer or judge or the god itself. They have a view, they can do it by themselves. But we will do by what we call imandari, the honest word. I love the word imandari say. It's been by being honest to ourselves, because you should be proud that you have done something by yourself. So in short, prerequisites are nothing. Just do it. Don't worry. Don't have certain kind of fear. Okay, so let's end this video here. And stay safe, stay tuned, be happy, and be passionate. Thank you.